Let's take a look at metric units of length. One of the smaller units of length that we will work with the metric system is called the millimeter. Larger than the millimeter will be the centimeter, which we will abbreviate cm. In fact, 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. Larger than the centimeter, we'll go ahead and talk about the decimeter, which will be abbreviated dm, decimeter. And another relationship to remember, 10 centimeters equals 1 decimeter. Larger than a decimeter, we will talk about meters. And in fact, 10 decimeters equals 1 meter. Larger than a meter will be a kilometer. That prefix kilo means 1,000, and in fact, that means that 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. The abbreviation for meters will be m, whereas the abbreviation for kilometers will be km. So we have these metric units of measurement and some relationships for them. Again, smallest, millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, then we have meter and kilometer. Each of those related by that factor of 10. That's one of the beauties of the metric system, is that because they're related by that factor of 10, it's very easy to convert from one to another. To give you an idea about how large each of these is, a kernel of corn is about 1 millimeter wide. An ear of corn is about 2 decimeters long, or that's 20 centimeters, since 1 decimeter does equal 10 centimeters. So that 2 decimeters equals 20 centimeters. A young corn plant is about 1 meter tall. A field of corn is about 1 kilometer long. Let's work on some conversions. We know that 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. So this 500 millimeters equaling how many centimeters, we just need to see the relationship between 10 and 500. That would be multiplied by 50. So 1 times 50 is 50. 500 millimeters equals 50 centimeters. Okay, 4 meters equals how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. And 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So 1 meter, if we multiply by 10 here, and multiply by 10 here, we'll get that 10 decimeters equals 100 centimeters. So 1 meter also equals 100 centimeters. Finally, we have this 4 here. To get from 1 to 4, we'll multiply by 4. And 100 times 4 then gives us 400 centimeters. 1 meter equals 400 centimeters. You could remember this relationship that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters as well. Here you're going from bigger to smaller, so that you multiply. And in this case, we multiply by 100. Okay, here's another example, kilometers to meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So we're going to multiply by 1,000 here to get 7,000 meters. 1 to 7 times 7, 1,000 to 7,000 times 7 as well. Here we have blank millimeters equaling 6 centimeters. We know that there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. Remember, a millimeter is even smaller than a centimeter. And then so 1 to 6 is multiplied by 6. Multiply 10 by 6, we get 60. So that 60 millimeters equals 6 centimeters. Here are 2 problems for you to try. I even wrote a relationship for you. And then there's the second problem down here, 500 centimeters equaling how many meters? Please go ahead and hit pause and work those out. For that first problem, did you end up getting 3? 30 centimeters equals 3 decimeters. 500 centimeters equaling how many meters? 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, so that 500 centimeters equals 5 meters. And then so what we did here is we actually just divided by 100. Because there's 100 centimeters in a meter. And that's that. So to review again, these are all units of length, metric units of length. We had the millimeter. And then up from the millimeter, we had the centimeter. And then we had the decimeter. And then finally, we had the meter. Larger than that, we had the kilometer, where there was how many meters in a kilometer? 1,000. There was 10 decimeters in 1 meter. There was also 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And in fact, there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter as well. So there's relationships between each and every one of those, and we can convert from them as well.